Scientists have uncovered some of the strangest things in the universe. But even with everything we've learned about our world, there are still mysteries that don't have clear answers. Some of these mysteries have been studied. For decades, we've gathered evidence, built powerful instruments, and explored places we once thought were impossible to reach. And yet, some questions still don't have an answer. These are 5 mysteries science still can't fully explain. Every night, when you fall asleep, your brain can create entire worlds. You can see people you've never met, visit places that don't exist, and experience events that feel completely real. Scientists know that dreaming is strongly associated with certain stages of sleep, especially REM sleep. They've also discovered that many different areas of the brain become active while we dream. But here's the strange part. We still don't have one definitive answer for why we dream. Some theories suggest dreams help process emotions. Others suggest they may help with memory, learning, or simulating possible situations. But no single explanation has been proven need to explain every dream. So every night, your brain creates these bizarre experiences, and science still doesn't completely know why. And if something happening inside your own brain is mysterious, wait until we look at something coming from billions of light years away. Imagine a signal traveling through space for billions of years and reaching Earth in less than a second. Astronomers call these events fast radio bursts, or FRBs. They're incredibly powerful bursts of radio energy that can last only milliseconds. Scientists have discovered that at least some FRBs come from highly magnetized neutron stars called magnetars. But not every FRB is that simple. Some repeat, some appear only once, and their exact mechanisms are still being investigated. Think about that. Something in deep space can release an enormous burst of energy, travel across the universe, and briefly light up our radio telescopes. We know these signals are real. We know where some of them come from. But in many cases, we're still trying to understand exactly what causes them. But you don't have to look billions of light years away to find something mysterious. Sometimes the mystery is swimming right beneath us. Some whales travel thousands of kilometers across the ocean and somehow find their way back to specific regions year after year. The oceans are enormous. There are no roads, no signs, and for much of their journey, there may be nothing obvious telling them where to go. Scientists believe whales can use several clues, including Earth's magnetic field, sounds, the position of the sun, and possibly even ocean conditions. But exactly how different species combine these clues and how they maintain such remarkable navigation over huge distances is still being studied. They're crossing an environment that looks almost featureless to us, yet somehow they know where they're going. And if the open ocean seems mysterious, wait until you see what's happening below it. More than half of Earth's surface is covered by ocean, but much of the deep sea floor remains difficult to observe directly. Down there is no sunlight. The pressure can be enormous. Temperatures can be extremely cold, and yet life exists. Scientists have discovered bizarre animals, enormous microbial communities, and ecosystems built around hydrothermal vents. These ecosystems are especially strange because they don't depend directly on sunlight. Instead, microbes can use chemical energy from the vent environment to support entire food webs. The deep ocean isn't just unexplored territory, it's a huge part of our own planet that we still don't fully understand. But all of these mysteries have something in common. We know they exist. The final mystery is different. We can't directly see it at all, yet its effects appear to shape the entire universe. Look up at a galaxy. It contains billions of stars, but something else appears to be holding everything together. Scientists have observed that galaxies rotate in ways that can't be fully explained by the amount of visible matter we can detect. Gravity is acting as though there's much more matter at present than we can actually see. Scientists call this unseen material dark matter. We can't simply look through a telescope and see it. Instead, we detect its influence through gravity. And here's where the mystery gets incredible. Scientists have strong evidence that dark matter exists, but they still don't know what it's made of. We've searched for possible particles. We've built incredibly sensitive detectors. We've studied galaxies across billions of light years, and yet the actual nature of dark matter remains unknown. We can see what it does. We can measure its effects, but we still can't answer the simplest question: what is it? So, which mystery surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to Side Quest Facts, because sometimes the biggest mysteries are the ones we still can't explain.